Guys, this is the application for visa on arrival in Thailand. This is Thailand visa on arrival form. Today I will show you how to fill up this form one by one. First, you need to put your name. This is the column Mr., Miss or Mrs. You need to fill up that column. First is your family name, then your first name. Family name means your title, then your first name. If you have any middle name, then put that middle name column, and all in block letters. Then nationality, which country you are belong. If you are Indian, then put Indian, like I am Indian, so I will put that nationality column Indian. If you are American, then put American. Whatever country you are belong, then put that column nationality column. Then passport or traveling documents number. If you are traveling international, then you need to bring your passport, then put the passport number in this column. Then date and place of issue. Your passport date and place of issue, you need to fill that column. Then your date of birth. According to passport, you give that passport which in date of birth, you need to fill that date of birth in here. Then come in expiry date. Your passport expiry date, you need to fill that column from your passport. Look your passport and fill that column, expiry date column. Then is flight number. Flight number means which flight you are traveling, the flight number. If you are flying from Kolkata, then your flight number is, if you are flying from Kolkata to Bangkok at night, then your flight number is FD121, which I took that flight. So like this kind of number you will get from your flight ticket. Put that number, flight number. Then you need to fill the occupation column. What you do for living. If you are a teacher, then put teacher. If you are an engineer, then put engineer. If you are a musician, then put musician, whatever. Then your permanent address. Where you live, your permanent address, you need to fill that column. Then the next column is address in Thailand. Do not worry. Address in Thailand means your hotel name. Your hotel name or your hostel name. You need to fill that first 2 days. It means first 2 days you are staying which hotel or any hostel, fill that hostel or which hotel name with address. You will get address easily from your booking site preference. If you are booking from booking.com or Make My Trip or GoIBoo or whatever, you will get that address from your site, your booking site. Then the next column is name and address or person of reference in Thailand. If you know any person in Thailand, if you have any relative or friend in Thailand, you can fill his address in that column. If you don't, do not fill this column. Leave blank. And the next column is if accompanied by minor children traveling on the same passport, please give name, dates and place of birth. If you are accompanied by any children by your passport, then please give the name, date and place of birth. If you don't, do not fill that column either. Then move to signature column. Put your signature in there. Then date. Next column you do not need to fill. This is for office use only. Yeah. There is an important notice. This is visa fee is 2000 baht per person in Thailand. Right now is visa on arrival fees is Thailand do not take any visa on arrival fees for Indians, Chinese, and many more countries. But right now all the government ban all the traveling from India and every country. But till 31st October, Thailand providing free visa on arrival for India, China, Vietnam, Bangladesh, many more countries. Okay, the next question is what you need more to bring with you if you are visiting in Thailand. What you need more to bring with you? Not only visa on arrival form. The visa on arrival form you can easily get in airport, whatever airport you are going to. In Bangkok, they have two airports. One is Meung Airport, another is Subarnabhumi Airport. So you can get this visa on arrival from in airport easily. After reaching your airport, you can get this from. Okay, then another thing I forgot to mention, you need to bring photograph. 4.6 centimeter photograph you need to bring with you. At least 2 photographs you should bring with you. What you need more to bring apart from this visa on arrival form and arrival and departure card, you need to bring your passport, obviously the obvious thing you need to bring, and also your boarding pass with you, arrival and departure card, this visa on arrival form, and 2-3 copy of passport size photograph, and nothing more. If you want one more thing I forgot to mention, always carry with you minimum 10,000 baht with you in Thailand. Whenever you are going to Thailand, always cash minimum you need to have 10,000 baht with you, because the immigration sometime they check how much cash you have. 10,000 amount of 10,000 baht you need to bring. If you don't have baht, you need to bring dollars. At least you need to have more than $500-600 with you.